New Battery Reconditioning Course Review. What is the reconditioning program? The EZ Battery Reconditioning is a program created by one Tom Erickson who looks to enable you to comprehend the way toward resuscitating dead or old batteries and getting them to serve you once more. The course is anything but difficult to pursue and gives a well-ordered manual for the assistance you set back these batteries into reuse utilizing promptly accessible family things. Click the first link below to get New Battery Reconditioning for a discounted price now from the official website. It's clear that the vast majority burn through hundreds, some even thousands, of dollars consistently on purchasing new batteries. Luckily, this will undoubtedly end once you get this program into your hands. With it, you'll get every one of the essentials you have to know to fix any kind of battery you have at home, including that of your PC, vehicle, and handset, among numerous others. As though that is insufficient, as this EZ Battery Reconditioning Survey program will likewise enable you to procure some additional salary in the event that you transform the data you get in that into a cash-making business. All you need is to just search for a spot you can get these old or dead batteries from and fix them utilizing this mind-boggling program. Click the first link below to get New Battery Reconditioning for a discounted price now from the official website. Furthermore, you shouldn't be a specialist or have earlier training to utilize the EZ Battery Reconditioning program, which clearly makes it a major in addition to. The center prerequisite is for you to have intrigued and pursue what Tom has proposed in this program. Keep in mind that you have to pursue each progression and the tips and deceives to achieve optima achievement. How the EZ Battery Reconditioning works: the program offers free access to Vault rough terms, free downloads, just as a content manual for the assistance you become a specialist in the field. The EZ Battery Reconditioning is a full course intended to show you how to return to reuse dead or old batteries for individual use or business purposes. The course offers you well-ordered rules for speedy and effective battery reconditioning methodology. Click the first link below to get New Battery Reconditioning for a discounted price now from the official website. You will likewise learn direct, down-to-earth, and quick tips for rehabilitating old or dead batteries back to life. What's more, EZ Battery Reconditioning additionally demonstrates to you the significance of testing the batteries before you start to recondition them. The program accompanies well-outlined pictures and charts to enable you to know precisely what to do. Tom offers lifetime bolsters together with authority counsel from different specialists, meaning you won't be stuck at any time of the procedure. Besides, he likewise gives you reports all the time at no additional charges. Click the first link below to get New Battery Reconditioning for a discounted price now from the official website. Pros: the program is reasonable for anybody with enthusiasm for batteries, and all things considered, you don't need earlier preparing, learning, or experience to hack it. Furthermore, you can do it from any place utilizing the means gave. The program is savvy since it just requires a one-time installment and you don't bring about transportation expenses or coordinations. Simply download the manual in the wake of putting in your request, and you will get it on your email. Can achieve the procedure utilizing locally accessible materials and gear from nearby stores and equipment. You can recondition dead or old batteries, which you can locate everywhere at no additional expense and still make some benefit from the equivalent. You recover full cash insure for 60 days, meaning you can buy it chance-free. Click the first link below to get New Battery Reconditioning for a discounted price now from the official website. Cons: you should take additional alert well-being safety measures when managing old or dead batteries. The greater part of these batteries contains hurtful components like sulfuric corrosive. Thus, you should put resources into extra defensive apparatus to avert tainting or suffocation. The outcomes may not be exact on the off chance that you neglect to adhere to the set-down guidelines. You can just get the program in a computerized organization, which could be an issue for certain clients. This is on the grounds that some don't care for perusing on the web materials, all the more so when they have web association issues. Conclusion: this manual merits each penny you pay for it. All things considered, you may have run over various articles discussing battery reconditioning, however you'll scarcely locate a solitary asset that gives as much definite data on the most proficient method to recondition battery as EZ Battery Reconditioning ebook. Maybe the key favorable position of this program is its effortlessness, since the creator utilizes straightforward language and outlines, which makes it workable for you to identify with the lessons much better. Click the first link below to get New Battery Reconditioning for a discounted price now from the official website. The program uses effectively accessible assets, consequently putting it among the most eco-accommodating projects you can discover available today. We as a whole realize that a larger part of nations around the globe battle with landfill issues, with a huge number of batteries being discarded yearly. The greater part of these batteries conveys unsafe synthetic substances that hole and saturate nature in this manner, prompting expanded contamination and harming. The EZ Battery Reconditioning course will help to lighten this hazard. My final recommendation is to pick new battery reconditioning course from its official website in the first link below, follow it up and then come back here again to let us know what you think about it. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more useful content.